Akwa, I've been saying this on the critical analysis channel, and they say me breaky. The intercepted document be on Komna Edubuahe. Unsana Mildred ano ye aban witness say Komna Edubuahe ebo national signal bureau besinya.
Right.
Now what so people be besia me say nipa no na dwuma ben na we ye. Ni pay yesen. Akwa the document intercepting is quite explosive.
Okay.
And we do fear we are able boom to grow critical analysis channel. So by more Wontumi. Anytime I do Wontumi's case, people feel I have a personal vendetta against him. I hate it. I don't hate him or anything. I hope it's just that court documents are public documents. And therefore, so you must always have cognizance. That's the English word. Cognizance of say, at the end of the way, can you defend it by law? One, your frozen you don't say to be you one. Can you ubit me you one now? May the picture be ma Jeff says here, and I want Jeff to project it before I start the presentation. My cat was a Wontumi kind case now we're facing. The summer boy concession. I contaminant there.
Right.
The allegation is that I contaminant there. Incrophobic cause so could did maybe. Wontumi defense and they say, ono kwa ko catch the Rex Sega Western region say. Grofona kona asase su din samoni bi to mo nkwache chom na China for. Now, what is interesting in that document? When you read the witness statement, who's a town of Mirim Forest? Wontumi is saying that you were Kuokuna Odi Adanse in the town of Mirim Forest case. I got to tell you two issues.
Yeah.
Town of Mirim Forest near one issue. Some boy another issue.
Yeah.
A Kuokudi Adanse or town of Mirimuno.
Yeah.
Wontumi's defense making saying that Akokono credential and any appointment letter. But letter no trokoma Rex second in the summer boy forest, the one who signed the letter is a Koko.
But those who soon him.
It's me catch was say Wontumi, no one lawyer comes here one pie manner, and you be said I'm a time. Now had Attorney General born in Korea. In a criminal trial, I'm a bomb in Korea. You also have the opportunity to open your defense.
Yeah.
Court saying as soon as you katomeso. The men so me work any. Now, Wontumi counsel be file substance submission of no case. Just say. The Attorney General no witnesses in Abeka. No one answer be a woman in so be o me so no Wontumi yin ho don't yin ho Judge ni bu asem no o kan bibi tie. Now, Jeff, bring me the chat or say. From the above discussions and having considered the facts. The charges, the facts, the evidence so far adduced, you can't do so, by the prosecution through its witnesses and the submissions of counsel for Wontumi are contaminating, and that's in the response by the Republic's counsel, contrary to the submissions of counsel for Wontumi and are contaminating, that the prosecution has not made a sufficient case against Wontumi and Akontaman, I find and do hold that on all the offenses charged. There is a rebuttable presumption that Wontumi and Akontaman have committed the offenses charged. There are three charged entities. Wontumi, so that's not the case I'm talking about. There's Exim Bank. To Wontumi, Abrante Bakubini Akontaman. Omunya account in you to know bring back the previous one. Omunya charges you two. Judge and say High Court judge say on all the charges, so all the 6 count, 2 per each accused person. Or say on all the charges, on all the offenses charged, there is what a rebuttable presumption that Wontumi and Akontaman have committed the offenses charged. To make us a woman payment to me, and you do say to two.
Nancy, judge no chere say utie ni nyina wie.
Onwie o hotie.
Okay.
Just bring me back or say otherwise. Otherwise stated. The prosecution has by the evidence adduced made a prima facie
case against
Wontumi and Akonta on the offensive charge. You can't prima facie mrema menye mra. Ba gugu am chan say you must prove your case. Case in it say on the surface of the evidence adduced. Wo bibi answer. Now, yes. And the appeal could be took issue with this statement. Say, judge we no ordinary oba no and why prejudicial. Menkasa akra na anka says and on the court appeals court. Then the appeals court told them that for a judge to establish prima facie in a case and to cause you to answer They must first look at the evidence, and the judge is only saying that based on the evidence presented by the Attorney General, there are things that say Wontumi answer.
Yeah.
So I want you to get this background before I come to the Exim Bank case.
Okay. And you read the next one, am I?
Or say, I therefore call on Wontumi and Akontamani to open their defenses.
Okay. So
it's almost appeals court on concept statement we, especially the 30 and 31 aside. Also, most the court statement
yeah.
You can media headline and the
Sure.
This document, if you read it, you understand my position. And this is only one of the 3 cases against Wontumi so far. The third one officially was filed on the 15th of May 2026. Anytime I do this case, I have a feeling that a lot of people need to answer questions.
Right.
So, you see, the reason is that I also take forex for some businesses I do. I'm fairly involved in the banking sector. Aqua, Nancy, Mrs. $6,600. I brought in my lawyers. I had to take certain documents to the bank. Aqua, 60,000.
As you wishing. To
the point I call my signature, Mrs. San.
Seriously.
Bank of Munchehe, I mean, could be a signature.
Oh, they mumudi.
Aqua. Oh, me mumudi. So, when I was reading this,
right.
Wontumi because this is the charge sheet where you buy you we no ahane dey yameka say you go ayi justice ayi friends Dominic ayeni na ekasa no ahade ayeni na enya me nimu he usi ni enye yi
the Attorney General.
This is the court document.
Right.
Now kokwa in the Exim Bank case the state is charging 3 people. Bernard Ntwibu Esiako Wontumi, Thomas Ntwibu Esiako by inference. No by how be related to Wontumi or no then what can
at large.
Or then what can we wadane ya hwena ye hu no. And a third person here Wontumi farms. Now how come I want to move 4 count.
Okay.
But you see your board charge biana say the fact about the case no. Attorney General actually mo court to say den tina wo charge one be na waye. Akwa yinkum or say the first accused ye Wontumi. Second accused here near wadane no. Third accused ye Wontumi make A1 A2 a. Tiasesa. The first accused, Wontumi, is 50 years, and will be 50 years. It's a native of Kuntinasi in the Ashanti region. He's the sole shareholder and one of the 2 directors of the third accused, Wontumi Farms. The second accused is the other director of Wontumi Farms. He's at large, Wajane. Wontumi Farms, whose objective is general farm and agricultural business and processing, was incorporated and authorized. Wontumi Farms, Omuko registered on 14 December 2017.
Right.
Okay. Sometime in January 2018, Wontumi approached the Ghana Export-Import Bank for a grant of 19 million to embark on a farming venture. In the grant application, Wontumi ostensibly, as Wontumi Farms Managing Director, declared that a parcel of land, 100,000 acres in size, had been secured for the project. Accompanying the grant application are 2 documents. The first is a letter titled Board Resolution Letter and dated January 23, 2018. The letter was signed by Abrantena Wejaneno, who described himself as the board chairman of Wontumi Farms. The letter stated that the grant application was authorized by Wontumi Farms Board of Directors through a resolution passed on December 9, 2017, 4 clear days before A3 was incorporated. The second document which accompanied the application is titled Proposed Project for Wontumi Farms. In this project proposal, the accused persons represented to the bank that just 2,000 hectares, which is approximately 6,000 acres of the farm project, is estimated to employ 6,000 families of about 38,000 individuals. TDE. Wontumi got a company in December 14, 2017. 2018 January, no bulk after call Ghana Exim Bank. No, oh. Me pay 90 million. Me was say 100,000 one person me dey fool. Na fool no kra no, ne se mu hu ne say me cultivate 6,000 acres kra pa, me timi afa nipa dwuma 38,000.
Yeah.
And no dey call all no was sign the document in but you see anytime say kofo bu question answer ne say enye Wontumi nko an say. Board resolution letter or the core saying the board adjust to say or measure sa abesia or measure grant there grant so most the difference between grant and loan is that grant can be say me ma 5 cedi for 5 cedi na brem and I into
be interest
but loan there is who
yeah
till you Sa board letter na date ni December 9 2017 by it Wontumi company December 14 2017.
Debut.
It's am say date no pen. Na company according to Attorney General. Wontumi company in business registered on 14 December 2017. All con board resolution and the crown na date ni December 9 2017.
Wow. There's a
so this is the first red flag. Na kwa kwanim
board ni ye adwuma nsa na ye take company.
If more let's divide.
Okay.
It's now Wontumi person say if 6,000 acres meboa. If 6,000 acres can employ what 38,000 people.
Yeah.
Next a chance quote me ye 100,000 na. Kwa so pentama o calculator itimi go na se pound. Now o cultivate 100,000 na. Can employ how many? On yamame. Akwa na so hwa ka Wontumi employ nipa be 700,000. Yes, my offering employ nipa 633,000. 300. Na say Ghana entire public sector force on about 800,000. Nti Wontumi adwuma nko no be fa almost Ghana adwuma ye for be 80%. Sa size.
Sure.
There's a predator a predator sombo. Now then see Oko January into 16 pen a bank made a mixture of loan and grant facility to Wontumi farm. Tell me right. The grant here mama 10,000 for 10,000 na breme. Fa breme 5 grant. Loan there be Obama me 12. Imagine hu 3 it's Obama me 13. And omo ye na mixture Muse cocktail kakra Sprite kakra Coke kakra no me says kana sa no de man na tini kosi ye mesha no mo ye no na ye 18.7 million facility. It was to be spent on the purchase of agricultural plant and machinery, working capital, grant for staff and labor costs. Njana grant ne bemu no. And consultancy fee. Right. On that 18th of July at 4 p.m. on January 23, 2018, Wontumi signed the acceptance in Kumasi.
Right.
Abantana wadane na witness here. By March 2018, the bank commenced disbursing the facility to Wontumi farms. A total of 14.3 million was disbursed. January na ana bank ne call Wontumi so oh ya agree bibia 90 million yenya ye benya 18.7 just about 300,000 shy. It would be better agree kenema na de koye fu no would be tu workers ne bi ka consultancy fee kura say former ye dua buro be ye nyina no ya fa ho kana ma tikutua
right
ana match on the proposal ne bre Wontumi ana Wontumi ye den esan according to the fact of the Attorney General.
Right.
And on disburses can 14.3 edema Wontumi as at March 18 2020 March 2018.
Yeah.
This according to the fact of the Attorney General.
Right.
Now I say investigators have however established that the accused persons did not undertake the proposed farming activity. They bought no agricultural plant and machinery. They employed no one to work on the farm. They did not own or secure the parcel of land which they represented to the bank as parcel of land secured for the proposed farm. That is not all. Tonight will be Kabiu. And Attorney General called for say, okay, it was what I say. What you do is 14.3 fidien one for be aduma as I see be no call farming bia. And was say no kwa na Wontumi ensem ka ho. Say sometime in March 2018 Wontumi presented a document which bore receipt to the bank. Wontumi presented the document as evidence that Wontumi farms had purchased 4 million cedis worth of agricultural plant and machinery for the farm.
Hey.
The bank relied on the document to advance more funds to Wontumi farm for the proposed farm. The document was not a genuine purchase receipt at all. It was originally a pro forma invoice issued by Kasama Enterprise to Wontumi. Then Wontumi made price enquiries. Wontumi then undertook to return later to make the purchase. That was the last time Kasama Enterprise heard from or saw Wontumi. Investigations have established that the inscription pro forma on the document was altered and replaced with receipt. Yomo can say 28 na Wontumi ebanos oh makoto efumu niama na ede kododo no me ni nyina akoye 4 million ni receipt ni Enti receipt so there company na akota there won say Jebu Achi Electrical you go say to two farmer there receipt company ni was the number ho onom call kasa mas o wampa untumi ba ha but obeje prices and e man ni pro forma by hu ni bi o enti you go for no kwa no mu say pro forma no say invoice you two your pro forma so koje prices estimate prices and you wo beto e man receipt enti you tumi koye editing according to attorney general koye editing or editing pro forma ni for no true receipt so akoto instead of so okubusa bo
okay
what is here
right
okay now see investigations have established that Wontumi withdrew huge sums of the funds from Wontumi Farmers Bank account and spent the sale for his personal use, including investing huge sums in other business enterprise. So insurance company no, it's going to be free.
Okay.
All effort by the bank to recover the monies from the accused persons landed on rocks. In March 2025, officials of the Economic and Organized Crime Office of the Attorney General commenced investigations into the affairs. Wontumi was subsequently arrested and cautioned. On May 14, 2016, he was charged, hence this arrangement. Now, the reason why I'm again say, I say because Wontumi is popular. It's the evidence Wontumi say, and some bank is a very nonsense explanation of the man. We've all dealt with banks before.
Yeah.
One. According to the fact of the Attorney General, Wontumi company, you registered on December 14, 2017.
Yeah.
Documents were the common bank. The documents were December 9, 2017. So when he was going to the bank, he didn't have a company registered in law.
Yeah. And
so the loan officers of the bank, what due diligence do they do? That's the first question.
Because you check the registration.
Let me ask one because you get me. So what did the loan officers of the Ghana Exim Export Import Bank do? Doesn't mean that you don't say you can just wake up, submit anything, then they'll give you 18.7 million cedis.
That is serious. That is serious.
And no crowd with statement. I'm presenting some media. And I'm a science media.
Yeah.
Tell you. The second thing I find curious is that when this kind of man Wontumi, are they telling us that until Wontumi came with the alleged forged document or the frauded document, the bank never went to the farm to do inspection. As an adjuman as a museum. Or say, I sort of want to be proposed or the bank or say, Wontumi so was 100,000 acres. Till now 6,000 cultivated before the 38,000. How 100 acres will be uncle. Bank staff will be on cost and some Wontumi na say document and crack because in January or the documents in March no man was assassin a fraud. It will be on cost and some kwusa na say ni. I am pound he when their allocation man
before you issue the funds.
I submit to say bank staff need be see free.
Yeah.
The accused person they say you Wontumi nko.
Yeah, I agree.
Asem no mo kan anadwoma na asem dodo.
Yeah. Yeah.
Akwa asem no ne kan za no. That you just walk into any bank, you present all sorts of documents with that certain due diligence, and money is advanced to you. You know why I'm careful? Let me go to the buffer stock briefly. When you read the buffer stock, let me just summarize it for you. Because next together and be full from back. The whole difference in the buffer stock case, into a more re-entry, and the only difference, case really, the difference is here. First, and you charge all the companies now alleged or no me kululu. In this fresh case, they are only charging him and the wife. Now, unlike Wontumi, they have 4 counts. So Wontumi is also being charged for 4 counts. Let me just do that for the rapper. Count 1.
Where your buffer stock there?
Yes, I come by.
I wish that.
Okay, then let me
we'll postpone it for another day. Nah,
any problem.
Sure.
Come let do mine so next week with the Bama.
Sure.
Count 1 Wontumi, they are defrauding by false pretense.
Okay.
Count 2 no. Okay, the screen has a contempt jamio. 2 near altering of forged document.
Okay.
Count 3 no, money laundering. And count 4 no, intentionally causing financial loss to a public body. How come see this case? Anytime I read it, anytime I follow it, there's something about the case that doesn't make sense to me. There's just something about the case that doesn't make sense. When you read the facts, I think that there's more to what you are being told. Next week, with the cabinet one in the end, how for 4 years we'll be on a salary around 400,000. How he was able to amass that wealth for now? I'll give you the facts according to the Attorney General.
Eugene, Boni Ejuma, thank you very much for that analysis. Eugene will say to the fact checker. and the FM next week particularly about us with a Edubo Ahindi and other ones are Akano. And General say what is a lawyer Andy Apia Kubi. Etwetwen komono ka kire me se ehu hia se sabre ye bompa ye ma Wontumi na just said that is the analysis Eugene aye ede amaye no